Envision. To imagine or picture something in your mind. Close your eyes and envision a beautiful beach. Imagine. It's hard to envision life without my family. Imagine. Flee. To escape or run away from danger quickly. During the earthquake, people fled from their houses. The criminal tried to flee from the police. Detest. To strongly dislike or hate it. I detest spinach, but I love carrots. Hate. I detest waking up early in the morning. Calamity. A great disaster or serious trouble. The earthquake was a huge calamity for the town. The flood was a calamity for the villagers. Ignite. To start a fire or to cause something to start burning. Please don't ignite a fire near the camp. Can you ignite the stove for me? Scalper. Someone who buys tickets at a lower price and then sells them at a higher price. My friend told me not to buy tickets from scalpers. I bought tickets from a scalper at a high price. Contemplate. To think deeply about something. He contemplates where to go on vacation. He sat down and contemplated what he had done. Vowed. To make a serious promise. I made a vow to exercise every day. He made a vow to study hard this year. Occur. To happen or take place. The accident occurred at 5 o'clock. The meeting will occur at 3 p.m. Happen. Croak. To someone who is dishonest or a criminal. The police caught the crook last night. Don't trust him, he's a crook. Conquer. To overcome, win, defeat, or take control of something. I will conquer my fear of heights. The king conquered many lands in battle. You can conquer your problems if you try.